Good morning. Jason here from Securicom. This is an emergency announcement in relation to the coronavirus. Good morning, everyone. Just on a serious note, so just want to say a few things today. So making a few changes on how we do things with the coronavirus, because we're going to be visiting people's homes to continue to work. So we're going to continue, because as far as we're concerned, we're an essential service. Everybody's going home to work from home. They need their internet, they need their phones. So we are going to have to continue to work through this. Now, we're going to be coming into people's homes. So what we're going to do before each visit, you're going to get a phone call from us. And we're just going to ask the question, is anybody sick in the home, or is there anything you need to declare to us before we come to your place? Because the social distancing thing and the way this is going, we don't want any of our staff to get sick and us to pass it on to our families. So you will get a phone call before each job now. We're going to ask you a few questions, and we expect you to be honest with us, So if there is anyone sick, please let us know, because that will change how we have to deal with that situation. Doesn't mean we're going to say no, but we might have to have some protective apparatus, as you've seen me before. Also, with the social distancing thing, if everything is okay, as far as how you guys are, as far as you're not sick, then we will come to your house, but we're going to follow the distancing thing. So there'll be no shaking hands. There'll be nothing like that. As far as exchanging credit cards and stuff, we will need to do that, and we'll be expecting to use your bathroom after we've handled anything in your home, so we can wash our hands and clean ourselves before we go to our next customer's house. So we're just going to follow a few simple rules. We've had a little meeting this morning, and so basically there's just going to be a few things that we need to follow, just so we don't become part of the problem. So I'm sure you will agree, this is a logical thing to do. And so we don't want to upset or alarm anybody or make them feel like they're, lepers. But it's just a way for us to be responsible during this time of crisis. So thank you for listening. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And we'll continue to service Sydney and get your internet services working. Thank you very much.